It's a ethical hacking disclaimer. This video serves educational purpose only. It does not promote illegal activities. Viewers are responsible for any misuse of information related to ethical hacking, cybersecurity awareness. Hello guys and welcome to Blackbird YouTube channel, and now we will understand the try hack me Tor lab, and first we have to explain the theory of Tor. So imagine if everything you did on the internet, every website you visited, every search you made was being watched, not just by website but by your internet provider, advertiser and even hackers. Sound uncomfortable, right? Now imagine a tool that lets you disappear online, hiding your identity completely. The tool is called Tor. Today I am going to take you deep inside how Tor works, not just the surface but technically how your data travels, how it gets encrypted, and why it's both powerful and dangerous. By the end of this presentation, you will understand something the most people only hear about but never truly understand, that Tor stands for Onion Router. The name itself explains the core idea. Layer, just like an onion has multiple layers. Tor wraps your internet traffic in the multiple layer of encryption. It is a free and open source software that allows users to browse the internet anonymously. Unlike normal browsers like Chrome, Edge, Safari, and other browsers, Tor does not send your request directly to a website. Instead, it routes your traffic through multiple computers around the world. Each layer of encryption ensures that no single system knows both who you are and what are you doing. This makes Tor one of the most powerful privacy tools ever created. In today's digital life, privacy is almost an illusion. Your ISP, internet service provider, can see what your website visited. Website can track your IP address, location, behavior. Governments in some countries even censor or block access to information. Tor was created to solve this problem. It allowed people to bypass censorship, protect their identity, and communicate safely. For example, journalists in a country with strict law use Tor to share truth without being attacked. Activities, activists use use it, organize movement, even normal users use it just to protect their privacy. So Tor is not for just hackers, it's for everyone who value freedom and anonymity. When you use a normal browser, your request goes directly to the website server. For example, if you open the Google, your device sends a request directly to Google server. Along the way, your IP address is visible. Your ISP, internet service provider, router, and website itself can see where the request came from. This means your identity is not hidden. It's like sending a letter with your home address written clearly on it. Anyone handling that letter can see where it came from. This direct connection is fast, but sacrifice privacy completely. Tor changed its entire process. Instead of sending your request directly, it sends it through multiple nodes, usually 3 nodes. First is the entry nodes, then middle nodes, and finally the exit nodes. Each nodes only know the previous and next step, not the entire path. This is extremely important. It means no signal point can trace the full journey of your data by the time of your request reaches the website. Your original identity is completely hidden. It's like sending a message to multiple secret agents where each agent only knows the next person, not the entire mission. Let's go deeper into the onion routing. When you send a request through Tor browser, your data is encrypted multiple times, like wrapping it in layers. The first nodes remove the outer layer, revealing where to send it next. The second nodes remove another layer, and so on. By the time it reaches the final nodes, all layers are removed. But here's the key: no node ever sees the complete information. This layer encryption is what makes Tor so powerful. It ensures that even if one node is compromised, your identity is still protected. The entry node is the only node that knows your real IP address, but it does not know your final destination. The middle nodes act as a relay, adding another layer of separation. The exit node sends your request to website, but it does not know who originally sent it. This separation of knowledge is the core securing feature of Tor browser. However, the exit node can see unencrypted data, which is why using HTTPS is very important. Each node plays a specific role in maintaining anonymity. People often confuse deep web and dark web. The deep web includes all content not indexed by search engines like Gmail, banking data, private account. The dark web is a small part of deep web, accessible only through tools like Tor browser. These websites use .onion domains are hidden from normal browser. While the dark web has illegal activities, it also has legitimate users like anonymous communication and secure information sharing. One of the most famous examples is the Silk Road. It was an online marketplace on the dark web where people could buy illegal items anonymously using cryptocurrency. It operated for years before being shut down by law enforcement. This shutdown that while Tor provides anonymity, it is not completely beyond the reach of authorities. Mistake patterns and investigation can still reveal the identity. One of the most famous real-world examples of dark web is Silk Road. Now, who can use Tor browser? Many people think Tor is only used for hackers or not for normal person, but that's not true. A wide variety of individuals use Tor for different purposes. Journalists use it to communicate with source safely, especially in countries where freedom of speech is limited. Activists use Tor to organize movement without being tracked by authorities. Government and intelligence agencies also use Tor for secure operation. Of course, hackers and cybercriminals also use it for illegal activity, but interestingly, even normal users like you and me can use Tor simply to protect our privacy. So Tor browser itself is not good or bad. It depends on how it is used. It's an advantage of Tor browser. Tor browser offers several powerful advantages when it comes to online privacy and security. First, it hidens your IP address, making it very difficult to for website or attacker to track your location. Second, it helps bypass censorship, allowing access to blocked website. It in restricted country. Third, it protects your data through multiple layers of encryption. This makes it extremely useful for people who value privacy. For example, someone living under strict internet control can use Tor X to access global information freely. However, while these advantages are powerful, they should always be used for responsibly and ethically. Now, I will tell you the disadvantage of Tor browser. Despite its advantage, Tor also has several disadvantages that users should understand. First, it is much slower than normal internet browsing because your data passes through multiple nodes around the world. Second, the anonymity it provides can be misused for illegal items, which has Tor a negative reputation. Third, the exit node, the fine point in the Tor network, can potentially see unencrypted data, making it a weak point. This means if you are not careful, your data could be still be exposed. So, while Tor is powerful, it requires awareness and proper usage. Yeah. Is Tor 100% safe? Its answer is many people believe the Tor makes them completely invisible online, but that is not entirely true. Tor provides strong anonymity, but it is not 100% secure. One major risk is browser fingerprinting, where websites collect information about your device and behavior to identify you. Another risk is human error. For example, logging into personal account while using Tor can reveal your identity. Additionally, advanced tracking technique system and malware can compromise anonymity. So Tor is powerful tool, but it must be used carefully. Think of it as a shield, not complete invisible. It's future of Tor browser. Now we will tell you about future of Tel browser. The future of Tor browser is closely linked to the ongoing battle between privacy and surveillance. As technology evolves, so do tracking methods powered by artificial intelligence and big data. At the same time, developers are working to make Tor stronger with better encryption and improved security features. Governments may try to regulate or monitor anonymous network, while privacy advocates continue to defend digital freedom. This creates a constant push and pull between control and anonymity. In the future, tools like Tor will play a critical role in the shape how free and private the internet remains.
Okay, then we will now complete the Tor theory. We have completed now Tor theory, and now we will complete the Tor that I have realized that it's an easy level, and 25K people have solved it. So let's away. First, we have to read it, then we can complete this challenge. So, Tor is a free and open source software for enabling anonymous communities to direct internet traffic through a free worldwide volunteer overlay network consisting of more than 7,000 related points each where users focus and usage of anyone conducting network surveillance or traffic analysis using Tor makes it more difficult to track internet activity to the user. This includes visits to websites, online posts, instant messages, and other communication forms. Tor intended use it to protect the personal privacy of its users as well as their freedom and ability to conduct confidential communication by keeping their internet activities unmonitored. In penetration testing, there might be a need to conduct a full-fledged black box test. This is a form of testing in which security professionals have to deal with such things like firewall and other mechanisms of restriction on the customer side. In this case, the Tor's network can be used in order to consistently change IP address and DNS address, therefore successfully overcome any restriction. In this unit, we are going to install Tor service in with basic commands in Linux operating system. You have to run that apt get install Tor. Okay, you have to run this in your Linux computer and this will check updates and for install. Then for starting this service Tor, you have to run this service Tor start. If you have to check the status of this service Tor status, and you want to stop service Tor stop. That's a normal question. You already know the box. Okay, let's go to next. Proxy scan. We have proxy scan, a tool that forces any TCP connection made by a given application to follow through proxy like Tor or any SOC S4, SOC S5 or HTTPS proxy. Proxy scan is widely used by penetration during the reconnaissance stage. Let's start the running with this apt install proxy chain. Okay, we have to install this proxy chain by command of apt install proxy chain and run nano. By the way, with nano command you can edit in any file. You can know and we have 10. Then these are simple questions. We have to have reason to read it because we know and others you are also know. There are a question that what is search engine at the following on address. We have to start with Tor browser and paste this link, and what inside this link we have to paste in this box. Okay, let's do. We will copy it. Okay, Tor. This is a Tor browser. Okay, we will open it. Let's say establish a connection. Tor browser nodes there. Multiple nodes you can buy himself. Okay, then we had opened the Tor browser and then what we have configured, we have to put in the search field. This is the URL and I want to see that what in this site. Okay, there I have tell you the 3 sites which number 1, 3, 2, 3 and last on site here. Okay. It takes much time to load because multiple servers send connection and reply. That's the code. Okay, let's try. solve the error that where we will acquire room completely. And so complete I have completed the full video, and bye.